Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Under Armour Stellar Protect work boot or tactical boot. So I would like to say, because of the day, Merry Christmas to everyone and wish you to have happy holidays. Basically, that's the same boot as the one I did before, only that one is the Protect version, so with the composite toe. Yeah, let's open it, see what is inside. So the price tag is around 130 euros. Let's take it out of the box. Okay. Get rid of that one. So, Under Armour Micro G Stellar Protect. That's the box. Let's open it. Basically, that boot is available only in the US. Not sure if on Canada as well, or some other countries. In Europe is not. Although you can find it on Amazon.com, so shipped worldwide, or at least most of the countries. So let's take it out. Safety toe, as I said. So that's a composite toe. Let's take them out. Get rid of the box. So these are the boots. We got the same features as the other one, except in that one we got the composite toe, so it's a bit of heavier than the regular one, but then you got the protection. So a bit around the shoe. So light, breathable on the top, and we got polishable leather on the front. It looks a bit weird if you see, I'm not sure if you can see it, but the toe cap is, the leather looks a bit strange, more rough and smoother here. Not sure if it's quality issue or the boot look like that. So let's check the other one. Yeah, the same. So outsole the same, midsole the same, Micro G. So how I said, basically everything is the same except the composite toe cap. And you can know from the description only when you see Protect, that means composite toe. So be careful when you're buying, because most of the companies doesn't say anything on the description, and the only difference is the Protect word. So when you see Protect, keep in mind that the composite toe version that being said, let's go back to the features. We got the straps, loops to pull on and off easy. Another thing I would like to say is about the height of the boot. So the height basically is 8 inches on that point, but due to the design, basically on the back is around 5.5 inches. So just be aware of that. So 8 inches, but on that point, yeah, micro G foam, midsole, cushioning, excellent, very comfortable, right out of the box. Those ones I didn't try them on yet. I will leave feedback about the toe cap if it bothers or anything else. Yeah, it mentions that the upper material is breathable, is soft, and is made out of 20% recyclable content. And what we can do is just check the weight. Let's grab the scale, put them on the weight, and see how much we have here. So we got 757 grams. Let's change the unit. I want to change Liber 1.668 Liber, 26.7 Oz, if that helps. Yeah, is more heavier than the regular one. So if you don't really need it, with the composite toe, be careful when ordering. I say that again because a lot of people don't pay attention on that and end up having a boot which they don't really need, that extra weight. Yeah. Insole the same, the standard. We got some kind of label, R, Omega, not sure what that is. Yeah, that's the label. I'm not sure if you see the R, yeah. Yeah, that was it. One more time the boot around. Outsole. Yeah, looks nice. Great boot. Check the regular one in the Europe. Now is heavily discounted due to the holidays. Not the Protect one, but the regular one. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.